Okay, art criticism number 5. This time we are looking at the work of Gacili Adeyemo. So our title, artist, and date information is right up over here. Again, the artist is Gacili Adeyemo. The title is Batik T-shirt, and this was created in 2018, relatively recently. So go ahead and add those to the title, artist, and date, and then unpause when you are ready to move on to the next section. And for the describe section, I want you to list the elements that you see in this artwork. So I don't want you to say, I see a t-shirt. I want you to talk about the design that is on the t-shirt. That's why I blew it up a little bit over on the side of this slide here. What elements, what things do you see? What images, what symbols, what types of lines do you see in the actual design over here of the t-shirt? Not, I see a t-shirt on a hanger. Once you have done that, we can move on to the next section, but until then, please pause and write your bullet points. Okay, we are ready for the analyze section. For this one, we want to talk about rhythm and motif. So those are the principles of art: rhythm. And a motif is that symbol that is repeated. So I want you to look at the examples that are in this shirt here and tell me what type of rhythm is being shown, and I want you to pick out what the motif of that rhythm is. Again, please use a complete sentence and pause me for now until you are finished with it, and then we can continue in the interpret section. For the interpret section, I want you to answer the question, how are repetition and variation used in this artwork? So repetition is when you use an item multiple times, and variation is how you change something. So I want you to talk about how do you use something over and over again, and how is it also changed in this artwork. So pause me as you write out those sentences, and then we can finish up with the judgment section when you unpause me. And the judgment section, again, we normally judge, is this good or bad, but I want you this time to actually judge, is this art? Is clothing design a form of art? And I want you to tell me why or why not. And when you are done with that, you can turn it into the assignment on Schoology.